welcome to the channel, and I thank you so much for rocking with me. This is a month of gardening through the window, and I'm so happy that you are supporting me and praying for me. So let's go gardening. Today we are planting a new lettuce. I got another plant because as you can see, the arugula did not make it because it was really replanted too much, so it didn't fare too good. So I'm just going to make this new lettuce a part of this family. And rain is starting to fall. So let's plant this fast. I have a camera person today. So you see, it's not too big, and a little like the other lettuce that is growing. So this fits in nicely. I'm going to throw up the earth a little around each plant just to get some air through earth, you know, because this do not have any worms like that to go through the earth, because they, you know, they are good for earth. I don't know, I might, if I find one or two and put them in the pot, they will help out a lot. But until, manual pruning is still good. Get some oxygen in the earth. You can see my design is still keeping good, although I just destroy it a little, but I will fix that during the week. I do not have to do a lot of weeding. One or two were in, I put them out. I'm not having that problem with bees in these pots, and that is very good because it's not directly in the earth. We don't have that weeding problem. So that is another positive of planting in a pot. Bees are not really a problem with the plants, and even insects. I haven't had no problem with no insects at all. Look at this salad there. See how lovely, more leaves. It's looking lovely. And my parsley this way is going good, and my celery. So everything is going good on this side. Again, whatever I do on one pot, I'm going to do on the other. And now it's time for God's word. Mark 4:20. And these are they which are sown on good ground, such as hear the word and receive it, and bring forth fruit, some 30-fold, some 60, and some 100. And the more we toil and bring forth many vegetables, fruits, flowers, we are supposed to sow godly words in others, so that you can edify them for heaven. If you need help along your spiritual journey, check out this book on Amazon named Reminders from Heaven for Me, a devotional journal, a book that will comfort you, strengthen you, I inspire you. Get a copy now and you will see the difference. Links are in the description. As I said, some pruning, and you can see some weeds. You see that little green weed there, and that tall one in the back. So I will weed that out. Again, some lovely leaves are growing on this side there. This parsley, this other red lettuce, and if I had planted this the day that it came, it would be as full as that other lettuce, and I planted that other lettuce right away because I got that one today being the 20th, but it's still growing and a lot of leaves, so that lettuce got a lot lovely like the other one. And look at my celery, it's time to separate, and then I will give that to be planted on in a bigger garden. It's going good, so I will just weed, and that will be all for today. Whoa, what am I pulling out? What is this? Oh, subscribe. I'm going to tell you about getting the different type of containers you can use if you want to start a garden, a little garden in your window or in your porch, in your gallery, in your balcony, wherever in your small space. Some containers to grow your plants and flowers, starting with toilet paper. Yes, you can grow in toilet paper. Just wet them a little. You can put in earth or toilet paper to start to grow some shoots. It's a really good, inexpensive way to start your garden. Then there is ceramic or glass cups or bowls. They're very pretty to grow your plants in. Then there's normal clay, ceramic or plastic pots. Then wood or plastic pallets, and they are very good starting gardens or even doing a lot of raised beds. Yes, they are very good to grow in, and all of this you can put in your patio, your window, or your balcony. Yeah, all can fit. Also, these cans at different sizes, small, medium, or big, and especially if you got a medium or large can, and you can grow a ton of potatoes in it. So yes, that is another container that you can use, and there's a lot more, but I can't remember. The most important thing is when you get a container, make sure it did not have any serious chemicals. Don't use those containers. Use containers that you can wash properly with soap and a little vinegar, so that you can get all the sink and the residue out easily, and you can use that. But don't use those containers that had abrasive chemicals. No, don't care how much time you clean and think something is going to leach out in your plants, and you don't want that. So these are some containers that you can use. Again, decorate them, design them, paint to fit your decor. Back to reading.
If you want to support the channel, my PayPal and Buy a Pizza links are in the description. Thank you very much for your support.
As you can see, I'm taking out this weed, and you got to be careful not to break it. You want to get all the root out, and this root is very, oops, it broke. It's time to go digging. I have it here. This is part of it. Right, I got it. Yeah, these, yeah, you don't want it to break like that, but this earth is so compact that is not easy to pull out. So yes, I got to dig for the root, but I can feel it. Yeah, I got it. And this, again, that little very hard to get the root, but I got that one. So there's a lot of little weeds. You will see there's some others, but I'm going to leave them for right now.